guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first ever Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe. Look at this packaging. Ooh. Yes, so it's a very pretty white palette. Nice. Feels pretty sturdy. It doesn't open up when you like flip it over or anything, so that's good. I believe it's like held by a magnet. On the back it shows that like all the shades that are in the palette, and I think that's pretty nice, but I do wish that it was like written kind of next to the colors, just because like for a video I would have to stop and like turn around to look at the color and what it's called to tell you guys what color I'm using, so that's kind of gonna be a pain, but it's fine. But yeah, so the color shades are on the back. What I do like about how the colors are on the back is that it shows them in like a cracked, like loose pigment kind of form, so I feel like you can really tell what the true colors are gonna be when you look at the back of the palette versus like just looking at the pressed normal of the palette. But yeah, this is the palette. These are all the 35 shades in the palette, and they're all very different. There's a couple ones that look similar, but I would say for the most part, they do have a good variety of different colors. I think this would be a really good palette for someone that's like just now starting off to like try to use more vibrant and like exotic colors in their makeup look, because it does have like a nice purple and a nice deep blue and some other lighter blues and turquoises and greens. So I don't really know exactly what eye look I'm gonna do today. I'm thinking about doing kind of like a sunset orangey yellow tone kind of look. I'm gonna go do my face makeup and everything off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I did all my face makeup. It's all done and ready, and now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Time for the main event. Okay, so like I said, I think I'm gonna go with like a yellowy orange sunset look. I think that's what we're gonna go for today, and let's get started. Hold up. This palette is literally huge. How am I supposed to hold this up? So, like I said, I'm gonna start off with this nice transition shade. So I just buffed that into my crease and then I shaded it into my outer corner. I'm gonna pack a little bit more of the same color over, just to make the color more intense. Okay, so next I'm going to take this very light peachy shade and I'm going to put it right into my outer crease. It's not too intense in an orange, it's like just right. This burnt orange shade, we're going to be using the color Hunts. So I'm going to put that burnt orange shade like right underneath my crease. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I just want to see more of that burnt orange shade up there. This color is taking like a little longer to blend out. I feel like burnt orange shades are always like a little bit hard to blend out, so like that makes sense for this kind of color, but like once it blends out, it is looking really nice. Okay, so next I'm going to carve out a little bit of a cut crease so that when I put the yellow shade on it, it's more vibrant and you can like see it more and it'll pop. So I'm just going to get some concealer and then carve out my crease. I'm going to go back in with this peachy shade and just like add some more to my crease. Okay, so now that we did all that, it's time to add the yellow. And I'm going to use this bright yellow shade in the palette. Yeah, that yellow shade was like super pigmented and bright and vibrant. So this is like a really good yellow. It's really nice. Okay, so next for the inner corner shade, I'm gonna add this white pearly shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna add this kind of dark plum shade right underneath my eyes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys liked seeing me do my first impressions on the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It was my first time using it. I've waited so long to use this palette. Like, I literally got this palette in November, way back when, for my birthday, but like a bunch of things happened. I left it at my sister's house and before I could even use it, and I was waiting to make a video about it, and finally we sat down and made a video about it. So I'm really excited to keep using this palette, and let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see more eyeshadow looks and makeup looks from me, because I really love doing makeup and I would love to do more makeup looks for you guys. This look was obviously inspired by a nice warm sunset, and it's just a nice yellow and orange look. It's actually pretty easy to do. This was one of the first like colorful makeup looks that I did when I was way back when, so I just wanted to recreate something like it. And yeah, it's actually pretty easy to do. So as you recreate this look, definitely tag me in it on like Instagram or Twitter, and I'll leave all my links down below for you guys to follow me. And if you guys like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, because I worked really hard on it. And also today I'm wearing my natural hair. I have natural curly hair, and let me know down in the comments if you guys like my natural hair, and if you guys want a video on how I style it and how I wash it and everything, and let me know if you think I should keep wearing my natural hair in my videos. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making so many more videos, because I'm actually off of school for another like 2 months before I even go back. So I'm gonna have so much time on my hands to do more videos, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm up to. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, so after I filmed this video, I actually ended up adding a couple of fake freckles on my face. It ended up so cute, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I actually was trying out some new ways of how to do them, and I came up with a really good way of how to do them. And definitely let me know in the comments if you guys want a video of how I did these freckles.